I'm gonna try my Mr. Heater to fry some catfish here in my backyard. I like to have the real catfish. You see I'm cutting mine up in steak. I know a lot of people order that swai fish because it's a lot cheaper, but the best fish is the real catfish. So I'm gonna cut it up in nuggets, and I'm gonna use this seasoning right here. You don't need no salt, pepper, anything. Just get this pre-seasoned Louisiana fish fry. Just pour it on there, and it's like cornmeal, and just let it ride and mix it up real good. And like I said, you don't need to add no more season to this. If you do, it's gonna be too salty. So once I got it all cornmeal down, I'm gonna go on outside and light my Mr. Heater. So I'm gonna use it as a cooker today. And this is my first time trying it, so you guys are seeing what I see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my oil in there. And once I put my oil in there, and I got it on high, I got the heater on high, and I'm gonna put a couple of French fries in there. And I do this to let me know when my grease is hot enough to put my fish in. So I'm surprised it took like 5 minutes to heat this oil up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my catfish in there. Like I said, this real catfish. It's not that swai fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my catfish in there. I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over and cook the other side. So I cook it about 5 minutes on each side. That's it. It don't take long to cook fish. And I'm doing this in my backyard outside, trying this Mr. Burner out. Man, I'm really impressed with this. Another thing, you got to be careful because it slides on that top really easily. So you got to be careful with that. So it's frying really good. Look at that heat. It's on high, and I probably could have turned it on medium. So we're gonna go ahead and take this fish out. Look at this. It's about 10 minutes later, and look what this fish looked like. Man. So now I'm gonna throw me some French fries in there to eat with this. And you see that grease is still hot, and these French fries come straight out the refrigerator, so they're cold. So this grease is really hot. This burner works really well. I'm impressed. So about 5 minutes later on the French fries, they're ready. Put them on my plate. Get me some ketchup and a piece of bread. I'll be ready to eat. So here's my plate right here. All right, let's give this fish a try. Fresh catfish, not the swai. This is real catfish. It is good. Make sure you don't throw this tail away. It's good. That's probably the best piece of the fish.